Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for many of you with Xerox Documate scanners, the Xerox AC Power Adapter. If you own models like the 262i, 3115, 3125, 3220, 3460, 3640, or 4440, and you're in need of a reliable power source, this might just be what you're looking for. Right off the bat, it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement adapter, not an original Xerox product. However, Xerox has engineered it with some impressive features that make it a compelling alternative. One of the standout aspects is its universal input voltage range, spanning from 100V to 240V. This means whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling internationally, this adapter is designed to work seamlessly across different power grids. That's a huge convenience for anyone who needs their scanner operational in various locations. Safety is clearly a priority with this Xerox adapter. It comes equipped with multiple layers of protection, including overvoltage output protection, overcurrent output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These features are essential for safeguarding both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable scanner from potential electrical damage. It provides peace of mind knowing your device is protected against common power fluctuations or issues. Beyond safety, the adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What this translates to in practical terms is stable working performance and effective control over its operating temperature. An efficient adapter runs cooler, which generally contributes to a longer lifespan for the unit and consistent power delivery to your scanner. Nobody wants an adapter that overheats or provides inconsistent power, and Xerox seems to have addressed this with their design. The physical design is also worth mentioning. It's described as lightweight, which is always a plus for portability, especially if you move your scanner around or travel with it. The black color is standard and discreet, blending in with most office or home setups. And with its wall mount type, it keeps your workspace tidy by plugging directly into the outlet without extra cable clutter on the floor. In the package, you'll find one adapter charger. A crucial note from the manufacturer is to double-check and ensure you're choosing the correct adapter for your specific scanner model before ordering. This ensures perfect compatibility and optimal performance. So, if you're searching for a dependable, safe, and efficient replacement power adapter for your Xerox Documate scanner, the Xerox AC Power Adapter presents itself as a very strong contender. It offers universal compatibility, robust safety features, and a design focused on stable, long-term operation. It's a practical solution to keep your scanning workflow uninterrupted.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.